Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to change your exterior light on your sauna. So first you're going to want to locate underneath the light. You're going to see these prongs that are sticking out. This metal ring is actually holding the light in place, as this normally sits like this with these prongs securing it to the roof. So first you're going to want to find these two tabs and pinch them together. When you pinch them together, the ring will come out, and then you can pull your light fixture out and disconnect it from the roof. In order to change it, simply reverse the process, stick your light back in. You're going to grab the ring and hold the two tabs together. You're going to want to get these points here in this little rivet in the light fixture in order to secure it in place. Pinch, pop it in, and you're good to go.